For B1662 on this CRV hybrid, the keyless access control unit is flagging a middle interior antenna circuit open condition. In plain terms, the body control module may not be seeing the expected circuit path through the middle interior LF antenna line. The vehicle may have keyless access or interior antenna detection issues, and the possible fault areas can include the antenna circuit wiring, connector condition, the body control module side of the circuit, or the middle interior LF antenna itself. Start with the basic system checks, and if other codes are present, check what they mean first so you do not chase this code out of context. Once the preliminary checks are handled, run the HDS self-check. Use that to confirm the current fault picture before disconnecting anything. From there, keep the diagnosis focused on the target circuit instead of jumping straight to a module or antenna call. Next is the EXTR plus and EXTR minus open wire inspection. Prepare the circuit by disconnecting the middle interior LF antenna 2-pin connector and body control module connector C, the 66-pin connector. Make sure the connector and terminal identification is correct before probing. Do not guess at terminals if the connector view is not clear. With those connectors disconnected, check the EXTR plus and EXTR minus circuits according to the inspection table. For the EXTR plus open wire inspection with the circuit OFF, the normal result is less than 1 ohms. For the EXTR minus open wire inspection with the circuit OFF, the normal result is also less than 1 ohms. If either result is abnormal, call that a circuit problem, and stay on the wiring and connection side of the diagnosis. Only move into the body control module inspection after the external circuit checks normal. For this inspection, disconnect the middle interior LF antenna 2-pin connector. Then perform the module internal circuit inspection. The expected result is voltage. If that inspection is abnormal, the fault points to a problem with the body control module. One important note: even if this module side inspection is used early, a failed result still has to be broken down with the individual circuit checks, so you know what actually failed. If the other inspection items all indicate a normal condition, the remaining fault area is the middle interior LF antenna, and the diagnosis points to a problem with that antenna. After any correction, keep verification separate from the testing path. Run the appropriate checks again, confirm the code does not return, and make sure the keyless access concern is resolved. The takeaway is simple. Prove the EXTR circuit first, prove the body control module output next, and only then land on the middle interior LF antenna. For more diagnostic training, visit Diagnostics.com.